Hello, my dear children. I am P. Venkateshwarlu. Okay, so some students can't understand how to write Google exam. Okay, so and according to midterm exam, we have descriptive type. Okay, so how you can write descriptive type in the Google exam? Okay, see, let us consider that link. Based on the link, so we can click on the link. Google tab opens. Okay, so your enter your name. Okay, your full name, initial name, class, section, must. Okay, understand? See, first I think first you can get the link. Okay, so where suppose plus one online class, like that. Okay, plus one. Yes, so here you can get the link. So when you click on the link, the Google page opened. Okay, understand? When you click on the link means the Google paper. See here, already I can have link. Okay, understand? So while this is link, so while opening this link, okay, see here, uh, this Google link open. So like how, like means I will explain. Okay, otherwise you copy link, you paste on the Chrome, like this. So enter. Okay, so this is midterm examination English. Okay, here, so you see, you have what, you have that link. Okay, see here, my email is venkyimsc physics 2007 @gmail.com. Okay, so if you can have more emails, you can remove. Okay, so it's may cause problems. Okay, here name of the student, you can write full name. Okay, you can write full name. So then subject and class, like that. Okay, next, see here, name Pulipati Venkateshwarlu. Department science. Okay, so you can write full information. So otherwise you don't write shortcut names. If you do, we will decrease your marks, or we don't consider your test. After that, click on the next. Okay, understand? Here instructions is there, kindly upload your answer at last as PDF. See here, first question, write about your school. Okay, understand? Here you don't type. Okay, understand? So these are the questions you can write on the white paper. You can write on the white paper. Understand? White paper. You don't write here. If you can have objectives, you click on that particular answer. Okay, so here 5 questions is there. These 5 questions you can write answer on white paper. So after that, next is there. Next, you can click on the next. Okay, see here, here we can have add file. Okay, you can click on the add file. Understand? Here upload will coming, upload will. Okay, so after writing your answers, you can take pictures from the mobile camera, which converted into PDF. Okay, the major apps is Adobe Scan. Okay, so open the Adobe Scan. Yes, open the what nana, Adobe Scan. Yes, where it is. Okay, so this is Adobe Scan. Okay, so from this, so you can take photos with the portrait. Okay, like this. Okay, you don't horizontally, you don't take, vertically we can say portrait, like this. Okay, so then continue. and both side you can take how many papers you have to write. Okay, understand? So then continue. Okay, understand? Then click on the photos. See here, these are the previous one. Okay, here rotate is there. So if answer like this, you can rotate like this. Otherwise, like this. Next paper, same settings, crop there, rotate like this. Yes. So save as PDF. Save as PDF. Understand? Okay, mention name, science or social, physics, chemistry, like that. Okay, the file will saves. Okay, understand? Then coming to uh, Google page, select file from your drive or your device. Okay, documents is there, documents and file manager. Okay, from this you can search. So Adobe Scan, like that. Okay, downloads. Understand? So from that, suppose okay, so 001. So the file must be in PDF form. Upload like this. Okay, understand? So after that submit. After that submit. Yes. Okay, so exam over. Understand, my children? If any doubts, ask me. Okay, right. The the file will not uploaded means this is another way. The file does not uploaded means do not uploaded means, so we can have another way. Okay, so first we can go to back and open Adobe Scan and click on the camera. Say it is paper 1. Okay, see that the paper will clear. At that time you take that shot. Okay, so see here, you can change the position of the paper. Okay, so then continue, again turn paper and take picture. Okay, so all are portrait size. Okay, vertical. Understand, my children? Yes. So 2 papers completed, then continue. Okay, then continue, my children, and click on this right side. Okay, see here, edit option is there. Edit option is there. We can change the name. Say it is science exam, science. Okay, rename. Okay, completed. Okay, save as PDF. Understand? Save as PDF. After that, so we can copy, so we can share this file to our drive. Okay, understand? Still that file is uploading to. See, otherwise more option is there. So more option here, copy to Google Drive. Okay, so understand? So here document title and account TNPS grade 12 @gmail.com. Okay, whatever you seen in previous mail, like here. Okay, here the mail is TNPS grade 12 @gmail.com. So the mail should be same in Adobe Scan. Understand? Here both mails are same. So here we can take the copy which is saved in our drive. Save option is there. Click on the save. Okay, once you check in Google Drive whether the file is saved or not. Okay, understand? See here, this is Google Drive. Okay, see here, science PDF. Okay, here upload mark is there. You click on the upload because still the file will not uploaded. Understand? Waiting to uploaded. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, understand. So after this completion of uploaded, after this completion of uploaded, okay, understand. So please wait until the science PDF file uploading. Okay, yes. So if file clearly visible, okay, you can click on the file. So whether you can see what is the file, like that. Okay, yes, the file will need. Okay, understand. Come to back into previous window. Okay, understand. Here already instruction is there, kindly uploaded your answer at last as PDF. Yes, here four questions completed. Next option is there. Yes, add file is there. You can click on add file. Okay, see here we can have more options. So when we can take this more option means, if your process is not uploading the file means, other option is my drive. Okay, my drive is there. In my drive, what is the file name? Yes, in my drive, what is the file name, my children? Science.pdf. Then we can click on, we can select that file. Okay, select. Understand my children? Then submit. Okay, why your score? Understand my children? So this is the process, my children.